Good morning, Carlos again. Just presenting another progress video on my discontinued Great Plains RV4 of 70-inch wingspan. This good size model was purchased for $80 airframe only, with the exception of several servos on the left wing. And here's the left wing right here. I took out all the servos that were in there because I found them defective. They were pretty old servos. I think they were S26, I believe, from Futaba. They were actually modified with the wire harness. It was the very old format wire harness, and they modified it to a modern wire harness connector. So I cycled it, and I didn't use it for ailerons. I used it for flaps, and wouldn't you know, that servo went kaput on me. And I'm very, very, very happy that I am not using any used radio gear servos that comes with any used model that I purchase. I always put and try to use brand new ones. Here's the brand new servo that I'm using for flaps. As you can see, it's the HS325HB. They were very robust carbonated gear. And here's the function of the flap. If I could go ahead and position it carefully. I'm holding the radio and the camera at the same time. There it is. Nice and smooth, quiet. Yeah, the other servo quit on me. The used one, and you could actually move with your finger. I mean, it was that bad. I mean, I just threw it right in the garbage can. So guys, just a tip: whenever you're purchasing a any model, even if you're going to apply glow or convert it to electric, like I did here in my case, be careful with old used radio gear. I mean, you don't want to lose your model, okay? Number one. Number two, don't, you're just going to get frustrated as to why it's not working properly and all that. Just go ahead and get brand new equipment, and you'll be the better of it. Here's a demonstration of the aileron. There you go. These are 325s as well, and they're doing great. So anyway, that's all I got for today, and you guys have a nice rest of your day. See you guys.